Welcome to this part 2 video for forms, and today we're going to be looking at receiving instant feedback from your forms that you've embedded on your SharePoint site. This video will also take a look at using Microsoft Flow. Microsoft Flow is a way of automating processes on Office 365. Select apps in your Office 365 and find Microsoft Flow. In Flow, find My Flows. Select New and select Automated from blank. Search for the Forms application in Triggers. You will find when a new response is submitted. Name and then create your flow. In the form trigger, select the form which we have created previously and the one that's embedded in our SharePoint site. Select Next Step and find the Forms application again and select Get Response Details. Select the same form. Microsoft Flow allows you to grab content from the previously run trigger or action. In this instance, we're going to grab the ID from the trigger that we previously ran. To find out who submitted your response for an internal form, you can use the Office 365 Users application. Search for a user using the email from the submission they've given in the form. Now we've grabbed information about the user and the form itself, we now want to send this via an email to ourselves or to anyone within the company who needs to see the responses. Select the email client. Write and enter the email of the person you want to send the feedback to. Give the email a subject and a body. In the body, we're going to include dynamic content from the previous triggers and actions from up above to make a sentence that will change dynamically depending on what and who enters the information in our form. For the Office 365 email client in Flow, you can change the options to add HTML and the importance of the message when it arrives in your inbox. We shall now add some HTML to give the email some spacing and formatting. Using our dynamic content, every time someone submits a form, we'll know the name, the answer to the 2 questions that we've had, and that will be sent to our email automatically. Please see the example of a submission and answer being received to an email. Thank you for watching part 2 of Forms, and we hope you've enjoyed it. See you in the next series.